C# program is a speeding ticket calculation that calculates fine based on the speed limit, ticket speed, and the driver clarification. So, I will explain it line by line of this program. So first, important names system namespace. So using system imports the system namespace, which provide basic functionalities like input or output. So console read line and console write line. So second is class and main method. So class bidding ticket calculator. Define a class name speeding ticket calculator, which encapsulates the program logic. So the main method is the entry point where execution begins. Declares an Boolean variable to control whether the program should continue running. So 3. Look for multiple calculations. Calculations start while loop that until the user chooses to exit. And picking user input. So prompt the user to enter the speed limit, read input, and converts into an integer using int. So prompts the user to enter ticket speed, actual speed of the vehicle. So read inputs and converts it to an integer. So 3. Display classification option for the user. Its clarification has different the policy. So console write, enter the clarification or end clarification. Prompts the user to enter the classification, converts input into an integer. So 6. Fine calculation. So here, input or double fine and calculate fine speed limit. Calls the calculate fine method to compute to the amount based on speed and classification. So stores the result in time. Display the fine amount formatted to 2 decimal places. Asking user for another calculation. So console write. Do you want to calculate another fine? So string response, then console read line. Ask the user if they want to calculate another fine. Read inputs, trim spaces, and convert to an uppercase, and check if it's Y. If Y, the loop repeats, otherwise it ends. Exit message. Display a farewell message when the user exits the program. Lastly is fine calculation method. So static double calculate fine, then 8 spin length, and ticket speed. So defines a method that calculates the fine based on allowed speed, actual speed, so classification, user classification, and returns a double value, the amount. So here is calculate how much the driver exceeds the speed limit. So C# is speed difference and return. If the driver is not speeding or driving within the limit, no fine is issued. So return. So C# method. Base fine calculation starts with 75 base fine. So each additional 5 MP over the limit adds It is $7.50 with ceiling speed difference 5.0 runs up to ensure every empty chunk is fine. Then, if the driver is a senior or additional fine based on clarification. If the driver is a senior classification, more than 20 MP over the limit, add $200. So 20 MP or less, then add on $50. So else, a clarification, fine. If the driver is a freshman, more than 20 MP over the limit, add $100. So 20 MP or less, no additional fine. If the driver is a freshman or again clarification more than 20 MP over the limit, and that's all. That's my class. Thank you and God bless.